Carson.
Yeah, we had a few warnings in Deep East Texas this morning with a reported funnel cloud over Lake Sam Rayburn. Actually had a tornado debris signature. I'll talk about that here in just a second. But, you know, relatively unscathed. We got some good rain as well, which we will also discuss here in just a bit. But I do expect this front to put an end to this rainfall. The severe weather threat is already over. With all the rain that we saw yesterday and today, most of it being after midnight last night as expected, it really worked the atmosphere over. So this trough, which is indicated by this line, is beginning to move further to the east, and we are seeing much drier air wrapping around this storm system. Could we see a little bit of shower activity behind it? Yeah, it's a possibility, but I think this dry air is going to dominate tonight and tomorrow morning. So as we look at the live Viper radar, we're still seeing a few showers and thunderstorms over northwestern Louisiana, but for the most part this afternoon, it's kind of been a dud for severe weather, which is great news. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning that encompassed several of our southeastern counties, but most of this activity now has moved into Louisiana, and I would not be surprised if we did have more warnings closer to the I-49 corridor. But for us, our storm chances are about over. We're still seeing this little line that's trying to form near Mineola and Mount Pleasant, but it's not really having a lot of success in doing so. Still have some rain over Sabine County, but that's moving out quickly. Nothing severe there. So if you're watching us from Hemphill, Texas, you're going to be okay. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s right now. And look at this. Over the last week or so, we have seen anywhere from 4 to 9 inches of rain over Van Zant County. A lot of this occurred last Friday, and then further off to the northeast, we have seen anywhere from 3 to 5 inches across Rusk, Panola, Harrison, and Marion counties there. And then further to the south, pretty good storms over Deep East Texas, and we've seen several inches of rain as well. So we will definitely see at least a little bit of an improvement in our drought monitor, if not this week. In next week's update, we do have level 1, level 2, and level 3 droughts. And then as we look at the rainfall percent of normal, the bullseye of the rain has been in our northwestern counties, but when we get our next update, we will definitely see some improvements further to the southeast, which is exactly what we needed from a rainfall standpoint. But I do have concerns that the drought is going to worsen as we go into next week because rain chances are going to be slim. Temperatures kind of all over the place. We'll start a warming trend after tomorrow. We're down to 58 though for a high temperature Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday we're back into the 60s and 70s. So rain chances, they are slim, and that is reflected in our 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook as drier weather will begin to settle in. And then from a temperature standpoint, I do expect well above normal temperatures to be in place once again next week, with highs getting back up into the 80s. So this is going to cycle once again. Low temperatures in the 30s and 40s tonight, highs back into the mid 60s tomorrow. And as we look at the next 7 days, the only chance of storms I have in your forecast will be Sunday, and that could be something that sneaks up on us a little bit. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that because that will be cold front driven. We may see a line of storms, some of which could be severe. So I'm going to keep my eye on that very carefully. But right now, no severe weather in the forecast. And then next week, temperatures will be on the up and up with highs in the 60s and 70s by next Tuesday and Wednesday. Isaac, Casey.